guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jasmine, and in today's video I will be unboxing IPSY's October 2020 glam bag for y'all. IPSY reached out to me and asked if I could be a part of their community at IPSY Open Studios and sent me the IPSY Glam Bag Plus, and I'm so excited to unbox it for y'all. So if you guys want to see all of the goodies I got in my glam bag for October, then keep on watching. But first, hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, because sis, what is you doing if you're not subscribed? And two, make sure you hit that bell notification button so that every single time I post a video, you'll be the first to know about it. All right, so let's get to unboxing. For those of you guys who don't know, IPSY is a monthly subscription where you get a box every month which has like a different theme, and it has beauty products, hair products, makeup, perfume. It has a whole group of products that are specialized for you. You can kind of pick out what products you like. Like me, for example, I like makeup, I like beauty, I like skincare, right? So we'll say those are my favorite things. I can actually go in when I sign up for IPSY and I can say, oh, I want skincare, I want makeup, I want hair products, we'll say. And then you can be like, I don't really care for perfume. So you can be like, oh, I don't really want to have perfume often. Sometimes it's cool, but not often. You go through like a whole questionnaire of things that you want in your glam bag each month. So it's personalized to you, which is something that like I really appreciate about IPSY, because it doesn't just give you like the generic, like everybody gets the same thing, whether you like it or not, here you go. You know what I mean? You can literally go in when you sign up and say, I want natural shades of lip colors often, I want reds sometimes, I want berries sometimes, and I want bright colors never, or rarely, or something like that. I think that was the word that was used. That's what's really cool about IPSY, and I feel like that's the thing that really sets it apart from other subscription box services. So one more thing before I get into the unboxing, I just want to talk about the different packages that they offer. So they offer 3 different packages. There's the regular glam bag, there's the glam bag plus, and there's the glam bag ultimate. In the first tier, which is just the regular glam bag, they just give you 5 different samples of products that are customized to you. In the glam bag plus, there's 5 full-size items that are customized to you. And in the glam bag ultimate, there are 8 full-size products plus 5 samples. Obviously, each being a different price point. It goes $12, $25, and $50 per month. So now that we got all the technical stuff out the way, let's just go ahead and unboxing all of these goodies so you guys can see what I got in my October glam bag. So I believe the bag they sent on over is the glam bag ultimate, because I see a lot of full-size products, so I'm guessing that's which one it is. So let's start getting into it. So the theme for this month is your magic, and I feel like it's so fitting because duh, it's October, Halloween, happy Halloween. So I feel like the whole magic spooky concept is on point. So first we have this candle, and it's so cute because it's literally matte black, and it says IPSY and it says your magic on it. Again, it like follows the whole little concept. I love how everything like has its own like theme, like each box. That's so exciting, you guys. I love it so much. But yeah, it's just a candle. Let me smell it. Ooh, it's like black on the inside too. Okay, y'all know what this smells like? This smells like mahogany teak wood. It smells like mahogany teak wood. It has like that like that strong manly cologne smell. You know what I'm saying? Like it smells like a cologne. Oh, I'm definitely lighting this soon. Oh my God, it smells so good. Okay, I love it. But yeah, I just love the black bottle it's in too, the black glass. It literally is matching my living room decor perfectly. I love it. Okay, and next we have a sleeping mask. How cute is this? Obviously it was wrapped in plastic. I unwrapped it just so it wouldn't make a whole bunch of noise under the camera. But I love it. I always have wanted one of these because like y'all listen, sometimes I'd be like sleep and it'd be like daylight out. Like I go to sleep real late, and sometimes it'd be later than others when it really be early, you know what I'm saying? Like it'd be like 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. It'd be daylight out and I'd be like, oh my God, I can't go to sleep with this light because it'd be peeking through the windows. Y'all, this is perfect. It is like a satin. It's a black satin. I love this. And it's like really stretchy, so it'll stretch on my big head. I would put it on right now, but I have makeup on and I don't want to ruin it because I'm definitely going to be using this. And again, as you guys can see, it's black and gold. The whole little magic vibes. I love love. Okay guys, so next we have this cute little pouch. This is the cute little glam bag, and it's black again, and it has like an eye on it, and it's really cool because it looks like that, like little magic symbols, like, you know, like witches and stuff, they be having like those little symbols. It looks like that, but on the end of each circle has like a lip gloss, a compact lips, lipstick, a brush, a heart, a moon, and it says like IPSY at the bottom. It's so cute. And it says your magic on the back. Now in the bag, there are some goodies too. Again, I already like unwrapped them and stuff just because I felt like it was gonna be easier. So first we have the A+ High Dose Retinoid Cream by Sunday Riley. And listen, I have never used this before, but Sunday Riley, I've heard good things about this line. Like, okay, like I'm so excited to try this because y'all know I love me some skincare, and y'all know that your girl, her skin has not been cute lately. So I'm about to try this tonight, okay? I gotta read the instructions and figure out what's going on with it and everything, but I'm trying this ASAP. Then we have this Briogeo, if I pronounce that right, Farewell Frizz Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. And this is like in the little sample size. So this is something you'd get in the tier 1, just the regular glam bag. This would be like the sizes you would get. I have to try this. I've tried some of their Briogeo products before, but never this. I don't know why I put it on my hand like it's like perfume, but like I just wanted to smell it and feel the consistency. Nice. I'm gonna try this too. Well, I'm literally gonna try everything. I don't know why I'm saying like I'm gonna try this. Like, no, I'm trying all of it. Next, we have the Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control Primer. And you guys, this is another little sample size product. And you guys, this, if you've ever tried this stuff before, it's Smashbox Oil and Shine Control. I've tried it when I went to like Ulta. I tried like a little sample size of it. And it's really good for oily skin. And y'all know I got oily skin. So I'm definitely gonna be using this one every single day. Well, I don't know about every day, but y'all know. I'm gonna be using it a lot, okay? Oh my God, you guys, next we got some Bobbi Brown mascara. Okay, Bobbi Brown up in here. I don't know why I'm smelling it, but I just never had no Bobbi Brown products before. I've never tried Bobbi Brown. I've always wanted to. And like, look at it. Look at IPSY sending me some Bobbi Brown. So now if I like it, I'm gonna go buy the full size. I've never tried this before. Yay! And this is like in a little sample size as well. Just perfect, you can throw it in your purse on the go. I'm so excited. Oh my God, can you tell? It might be an extra loud and extra like, cause I'm excited, y'all. I love IPSY. Okay, and next I wanna show you guys this cute little bag. It's like the little pouch. Look at it, it's so cute. I love it. So again, it has like that same symbol on the front, and it's just like a little cloth bag, and it says your magic on the back. I feel like these bags are perfect when like traveling and stuff. So the fact that IPSY sends these out every month, I'm about to have a stock load. So when I travel, I'm gonna have everything super organized in this little pouch. Nothing's gonna be spilling nowhere. Everything's gonna be perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and put my little goodies up in here. We gonna do that, and we got more, baby, we got more. So next I have this quad palette by Illuminati. Literally Illuminati. Is that the name of this company? Illuminati, am I reading it wrong? Okay, it's Illuminati, I guess, we'll roll with it. But it's the quad palette, the enlightened shade, I guess, the lightened colorway. And it has some really pretty shades in it. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them for you guys on my hand so you can see them. Ooh. Okay, I think it's focused on my hand. I can't really tell, but look at those colors. They're so pretty. It's not really showing up that well on camera, but they're cute, okay? So another amazing little product going in my bag, my IPSY Glam Bag. Okay, next product, y'all. I'm so excited about this product. When I seen this in here, I was like, oh, okay, IPSY, y'all got my heart. Y'all got my heart for real. Y'all, that give me a Huda Beauty palette. I've never tried any of these like little mini Huda Beauty palettes. I only have, I think, one palette from Huda Beauty, and it was like a release. Like she did like a specific palette. But like y'all know, she like come out with like these little like perfect little small palettes all the time. And I got one. I'm so excited. And it's the Mauve Obsessions palette, and y'all know I love mauves. Y'all know that that's like my color that I choose when I'm not just sticking to regular browns. It's like definitely like a mauves. So let's see. I haven't even opened it up. Oh my God, I'm using this in the next video. Look at these colors. Do y'all see these colors? Y'all see these colors? They're cute. They're cute. Oh my God. Oh, I'm so excited. These colors are so pretty. You guys, these colors are amazing. I love this life that I'm living. Like, these products are amazing. IPSY, thank you so much for sending these over. Like, I'm so geeked. Like, y'all have no idea. I really appreciate you guys so much. Adding it to my other bag. My other bag's getting kind of full, so I'm putting in this one. So next I have the Filorga Paris Oxygen Glow Eyes. I think it's a moisturizer. I'm gonna open this up because I don't know what this is. Yeah, it's like an eye serum. I guess you put it underneath your eyes. I wonder if it has that same tip. Yeah, it has like a small little tip, I'm assuming. You just put it under your eyes, and it's called Laboratories Filorga Paris. I really do not know how to pronounce anything, so I'm sorry if I'm butchering those names, but I'm excited to try that as well. We love us some good eye serums. Next we have the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder, and I'm so excited to use this because I feel like it's perfect for all of my Halloween makeup looks that I'm gonna be doing this October. So yeah, like y'all know I be needing the setting powder, and I be needing the white powder too, even though it's like translucent, but you know, like it's technically white. So I'm excited to try this. I tried Ciate London's powder before and I liked it, so I'm glad that I got another one of these. In the bag we go. Okay guys, and this is the last thing. Honestly, I thought it wasn't gonna stop because I feel like I just kept pulling stuff out, kept pulling out the goodies, but we got some Lorac. If this is the brand I'm thinking of, I never seen it written down, so I don't know, but I think it's the Lorac. We got some Lorac brushes, baby. And let me pull these out the package real quick. Okay, so first of all, not only do they match the theme with the black on black, but these are some good, y'all hear these? These are some good brushes. Like, you know how you know a brush is good when it's like heavy duty on this part, on the handle. These don't feel flimsy, these feel heavy duty. I didn't even feel the bristles, but the bristles just took it to a whole nother level. Oh my goodness, it's so soft. This is a tapered face brush. Oh my God, I love these. I love that they're black, matte black. That's just so aesthetically pleasing. And I love black, so this is perfect. There's a kabuki brush. Perfect, this will be perfect for applying foundation. It's like kind of like that flat, dense brush. Let me show you the other one. I didn't show you the other one over like that. And then there's a contour blending brush. It looks like this. Oh my God, you guys, these bristles are so nice. And on top of that, I'm pretty sure these are vegan, cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, and synthetic brushes. So no animals were harmed in the making of these brushes, okay? And then we have a flat angle brush. I don't really know how to use this, but I'm gonna learn. Maybe, cause it's kind of like a weird like little angle. Maybe you use it like to sculpt. I don't know, but I'm gonna learn because these brushes are bomb. And I love them that they're on theme. Like, why are they black though? That's so cute. Oh my God, wait, I missed something. This brush was just laying here and I literally forgot. It's a Firma Beauty brush. It's again black. I mean, this might just be a coincidence, but it's just black and it says Firma and it's a 103 brush. You can't really see the tip because it's like white, but this is how it looks. It's like an angled tapered brush. And again, it feels like really good quality. This doesn't feel like it's gonna snap. Like, it just feels great. And you guys, that's the IPSY Glam Bag for October. I'm literally a sponsored person for IPSY Glam Bag in October. Like, look at me. Let me take this off before I get makeup on it and ruin it. But yeah, you guys, that's gonna conclude the unboxing of October's IPSY Glam Bag. You guys, there was some goodies in there, and this is only the first one. I'm excited to see what we got in store for all the other months. This was literally bomb. So if you guys want to go ahead and check out IPSY, I'm gonna make sure to link their website below, give you guys a little bit of information in case you guys can go ahead and check them out. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below and I will answer them to the best of my ability. And again, thank you IPSY Open Studios for sending over all of these goodies. I really appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.